Oh, now school's closed, I've had to bring the dinosaur eggs home, but we had such a good nest in the classroom and I'm not really sure where I'm going to put them in my house. What about on the stairs? Do you think that's a good place? It's probably not very safe. Let me try somewhere else. What about somewhere in the kitchen? In the oven? It's good enough for the gingerbread man. It's probably too hot. What about, I know, in the fridge? It's probably too cold. What about in the cupboard underneath my stairs? It's a bit dark. No. What about in here? Nah, just no. That's a bit disgusting. What about if I put them on the chair? It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's comfy, but I might accidentally sit on it. Actually, no, I'll not go for there either. It's such a good nest in the school. I don't think there's anywhere in my house that's going to be anywhere near as good. I'll try upstairs. What about if I put them in the bath? It's probably too wet. No, I'll not put them there. What am I going to do? I know. Oh. There we go. It's comfy. It's safe. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. Actually, where am I going to sleep? Let me think. In the classroom, you used cushions. What about if I got some cushions and I put them on the floor and I built a nest down here? I could even get some blankets. I'm sure lots of you thought about blankets when we had them in the classroom. So it's not going to fall off. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's kind of safe. If you had the dinosaur eggs at your house, where would you put them? You could even use some Lego to build the outside. You could make a nest outside and use it with sticks. See what you can think of.